It is 6 o'clock in the morning, getting ready to head to Durham. Actually, before I go to Durham, I gotta go by Hazen's house and pick up 3 shoulders of pork, go by Chuck's house, grab Chuck, and then we're going to Durham. Or Carthage, or Sanford, or I don't know, somewhere like that. We're selling plates for JD, for his family, to help benefit his family, doing a little fundraiser. So we're up and early at the butt crack of dawn, and I thought I'd take you with me. So come on, let's go have some fun today. Man, it's dark. Well, Yogi Clan, welcome back. It's about 2.5, 3 hours later. I am up in, I don't know where, I think Carthage, North Carolina. We're doing a benefit today for JD, our fallen brother, to help his family with some final expenses. The guy whose house I'm about to go into, Jerry, he's making a gumbo out of pork, which I don't know, in some French word that I can't pronounce. I don't know. But let me show you what we got. Look at that right there. That is 4 pork shoulders from Allward Masonry, the one who cooks for us for the orphan run. If you need some brick mason work done, call Hazen. Allward Masonry. I'll give you his phone number. I'll put you in contact with him. Great dude. Makes some killer pork. And as you can see, we got 4 shoulders there. Getting ready to go into the house in a few minutes, work with some of the prospects, and make a gumbo out of it.
We'll see. Never made red beans and rice before, but now I've eaten a lot of it, so.
Dude, that's a long list of ingredients.
It was quite a bit. You know, of course, the recipe says 6.5 cups, of green bell peppers. Well, how many bell peppers is that? That helps me none.
That's a lot of beans.
I almost forgot to soak them last night. I remember as I was getting ready to go to bed, I'm like, oh yeah, these are supposed to soak all night.
So you got new ink?
I did.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Ox did it for me last weekend.
Ah, so that's what you went up there for.
Yeah, well, we were hanging out too, but he just happens to be a tattoo artist as well. So.
Awesome, man.
Oh, really?
I could tell that one was clean.
Yeah.
That's like a fluffy doggy.
I was like, what does that say?
Give you some more.
Amen to that.
It's a lot of beans.
All right, so this got to be stirred for 20 minutes?
Yep. Mix it together real good and then we'll turn the heat on. So it'll start turning a brownish caramel color, but you want it to be really slow.
Yeah. Otherwise, they'll burn it and it'll taste burnt.
No pressure, but this is the whole foundation of gumbo. So no pressure though.
Don't screw it up. Don't screw it up.
Just the future of your potential membership.
Just so you know, this is the first time.
and getting a running bike.
Well, that too.
We're working on that.
I seen that.
That's a whole different story.
Yeah, I heard it turn over.
Saw pictures.
Unicorn?
I haven't watched that video yet.
That's a lot of stuff. That makes me want some peanut butter. So this all goes in the gumbo?
I've never even had gumbo.
I saw it on Forrest Gump once. Still stirring, but it's getting there.
Still stirring. I hear it. It's warming up. Oh yeah.
And the sausage goes in what? The gumbo?
That sausage goes in the red beans and rice.
Ah.
So the other is more like a smoked ham, and that goes in the gumbo.
You graduated from celery to peppers?
Oh yeah.
Are those hot peppers?
Yes.
Jalapeno. What are they called? Jalapeno? Jalapeno.
Yeah. That's the whole point because
Delicious.
Once it gets too hot and it starts burning,
It turns instantly almost.
yeah.
And then you know
We don't want this to overburn.
No, that's
Still stirring.
Still stirring.
Is that where you're from, Louisiana?
no. I like cooking from scratch, and I looked up the recipe and watched a couple video.
For gumbo?
Yeah. I mean, it wasn't nowhere near as big as that pot, but I just made a pot one night and ate off it for 2 or 3 days.
How's it look?
Yummy.
Oh, man.
They smell good too. I don't even like sausage. They smell good.
It is.
Want me to get water in these beans?
That can go in the trash.
Yeah, I got you. Mixed up, get ready. I got you.
Yep.
Just trying to get ahead of you if you anything prep and whatever, you know.
Ingo the Maters.
Where's Chuck? Hey, Chuck?
Yeah.
Come here, please. Those boxes,
Yeah.
flip the thing up and take the little plastic seal out the middle.
Trouble them to be poured.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm just getting the heat up to get those pans hot.
Seasoned. Looks good though. Smells awesome.
Yeah, and I can only imagine it's gonna be a little bit better when it starts heating up and mixing.
Are we gonna have room to add 3 pork shoulders and all this?
just thinking. They're gonna have to get another. They're gonna have to take some out of each of these, put it in a separate pot.
We may just have to eat the pork shoulders ourselves.
It's a.
It'll be tough with somebody's.
I know. That's what I was just thinking. It's
bite
gonna
the
be
bullet.
rough, but I have to eat a little less. And my
That's
window is
delicious.
not as much. Fasting
Yummy.
For me is bad because I can't.
Oh yeah, ghosting baby.
Ripping the
Toast the ghost.
Yep.
Riding, never hiding. So that's how many? 3?
Yeah.
3 sliced up,
Yep.
ready to go. Bunch of beans ready to go. Bunch of pork ready to go. Bunch of rice ready to go.
About to dump that into that.
Right. Yeah.
And then take
What's
that
in there?
pot. Take some out so you can mix it.
Good stuff.
Wow. Yeah, it's delicious.
Heck yeah.
And we got the pans ready to go. Oh, look at that. Yummy. That's gonna be a killer lunch. For $10 a plate of that?
Looks good, don't it?
Slap your mama.
Three. Oh, yeah. This, because we got a lid to put on this one.
So that there is the finished product.
Yep.
Your mad scientist concoction. Can't wait to sink our teeth in it. Time to go?
We're getting ready. Gonna let those beans cook as long as we can. Like another 5-10 minutes. Yep.
Okay, got it. We got bubble, we got bubblegum shrimp.
Gumbo with no beans.
Yeah. Bowl, a drink, and a shirt is $30. Right. It's a shirt by itself. Do you get another 10 in there too?
No.
Another 10.
I'm asking so
This
I
is
know.
a benefit. This is a benefit. So
And I'm
take
trying
as
to
much
money.
money out of you as
And I
possible.
will put in the money. I have all the money in my pocket now. I need to understand what what I'm getting when I put the money in. I'm trying to.
So, it's
What?
The $30 deal.
it's $30 deal that gets you a plate of food and a
Yeah.
t-shirt.
Yep.
I will
And
even
a
kick
ticket.
in your drink. We're not charging extra for the
That's-
drink.
no,
and then you're gonna put
I
a
get
$100 bill on the table and get 10 raffle tickets.
Got it.
We're good.
Got it. Okay. All right. Yeah. Let's kind of raise some money.
Yeah.
We got gumbo, Oh, we have multiple things.
Right. Gumbo, that has beans in it.
That Can I see it?
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you. I just want to look at it. So what's the difference between these two? Beans, no beans?
Beans, no beans.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So,
And that's yours.
This is the shirts. I need one. Do you have sizes?
I don't do any. They're doing. We're not
Okay,
tracking.
So I need.
You gotta make faces again. That's incriminating videos. Good.
$10
Y'all doing? All right. Ox, Sports Brotherhood. Mike, yes, Ox, what's McCown?
That'll do some damage.
That'll hurt.
Yeah.
Raffle ticket
On behalf of Sports Brotherhood and everyone that's here, we're here for one reason, and that is to remember our brothers, your father, had the biggest heart, the biggest man in the world. And so much to us, still does. It will always be our family, no matter what. Whatever you ever need, you make a call. So from his friends and brothers that are here, we have signed a plaque that we would like for y'all to keep inside your home to remember him for always. Woo! Very nice.
Before JD passed, he was working on something, and it was giving his brother here a road name. He was very passionate about making sure that Jerry had a road name. This was done after the fact, but we want to present you with this. So it's a card that's got JD on it, Tin Man, and I'll let you read, but that's actually a personal thing from him with your road name tab. His name's Timex. It takes a licking and keeps on ticking.
Yeah!
It says, our brother Jerry needs a road name. I've been praying and thinking on what I think would fit. I know Crash was put out there, and I can see how that fits because of the accidents he's been in. But I also see it as a straightforward reminder of a bad time in his life with lots of pain involved that he needed to explain to everyone that asked, why do they call you Crash? But what about the road name Timex, ? You know, it takes a licking and keeps on ticking. That could reference so many different things, from his crash to his perseverance and determination to stay in the club and to ride bar to bar. If you've taken the time to hear what all he's been through in his life, this man has been through a lot and takes meds to cope with the pain every day. Even has a pump inside that shoots pain meds straight into his body at different times of the day. He's really been there a lot and still finds a way to be at every event, every bike night he can, and has hosted 2 Christmas parties and so on. What do you think of the road name Timex? From Tin Man, and that was the message he put out to the brothers to get this guy his road name.
Yeah.
So we just wanted you to have it.
All right, Yogi Clan. We are pretty much done for today. It's about 3 o'clock. We sold all the rice. We're just about out of all the gumbo. We sold just about 100 t-shirts. Make sure I don't get run over. Any cars coming? No, we're good. But I would say we're close to 3,000 raised for the family, for our brother, to help with final expenses for him and his bride. So thank you all for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this trip as much as I did, and I hope you have an awesome weekend. All right, you clan. Appreciate you guys. Love you. Peace.